learned a public memorial service may take place at LA's enormous Staples Center on Tuesday. The LAPD confirmed they're making plans to handle what potentially could be a logistical nightmare if thousands of the King of Pop fans descend on the downtown arena. A source close to the Jackson family tells us the body will not be there, but the farewell ceremony would include Michael's concert footage. While there's still no official announcement of where the singer will be laid to rest, initially it will not be at his now empty Neverland Ranch, which Matt Lauer toured on this morning's Today Show on NBC.
Michael Jackson had a two-story bedroom. Boy, did he have a closet. This is a full cedar closet, and I want to show you something that is really somewhat special and interesting. Triple locks on this wall here, and it reveals a secret section of this closet. I'm not sure what he kept in there, but clearly he didn't want many people to know that it existed. This place, Neverland, look at this place. I love it.
Michael's older brother Jermaine Jackson was there, fighting back tears during an emotional interview with Matt.
I don't know how people are going to take this, but I wish it was me.
Jermaine shared how he rushed to the hospital after hearing the tragic news.
I'm to see Michael, and seeing him there lifeless and breathless was very emotional for me.
Michael's three children also had a chance to say goodbye.
They were there, and the therapist felt that it was important to let them see their father and so they can get it over and understand.
It's Michael with son Prince and daughter Paris in much happier times at Neverland. This intimate, never-before-seen home video filmed earlier this decade shows a rare glimpse of the King of Pop as a devoted father. ABC's Good Morning America aired the amazing footage today, along with the Barbara Walters 2020 interview from 1997 after Prince was born.
Do you like being a father?
I love it.
And here you can see the kids doing their best imitation of Dad's famous dance steps.
I love my daddy so much.
I love you. Now to Tom Cruise's woman, Katie Holmes. She is busting a move on